CET King and SMHRD is conducting this workshop on Sunday. So this is a student outreach drive by SMHRD. So they are coming to CET King on Sunday 27th of September at 5 p.m. on Zoom. So we are going to conduct a Zoom session in which we will talk about the new paper pattern, the virtual MBA experience, SMHRD Zeal and QA session regarding SMHRD. So any doubt you have regarding SMHRD, you should attend that. And you all know that SMHRD is ranked 2 college through SIMBI. So whether you should apply, not apply, all the queries will be answered in this workshop. Yeah, so it's a must attend workshop for every MBA aspirant. So for that you have to register. So go to cetking.com/snap. You can register on the link for the workshop. Yeah, so that we can send you the invite for the same. Yeah, so the workshop will be on Sunday 27th. Yeah, 5 p.m. Alright, so do register here for the complete strategy for the SMHRD. So we'll answer the complete question whether you should give or not give the SMHRD exam, apply for the college or not. So like Titanic have got parts. So if you remember the movie, so Titanic have the parts. Same way I wanted to break Snap का paper into parts. या अभी हाँ अभी पब्लिक कहेगा टाइटैनिक तो डूब गया, हाँ बाकी शिप में तो है ना अभी भी, ठीक है. एवरी शिप या contain compartment. Even if 1 or 2 break, yeah, that ship can still sail. Same way Snap exam, we have a 60 question exam. Trust me यार, 1 hour will go like zoom. ये क्या गया, जो गया था वो तुम्हारा एग्जाम था. You will not get time to even breathe during the exam. Trust me. Those who are given the bank PO, they understand all this things, because 1 hour you can't even think यार, and most of us will not be able to complete the paper. It's impossible to look at all 60 questions, attempt all 60 questions during the time frame we have. So because of that, I want to break the paper into parts. So there's no sectional timing, but I wanted to break it into the 3 sections. So logic 25 minutes, 25 question, quant 20, and 15 for verbal. That's the ideal breakup for the SIMBI exam. Now this we have to evolve with the mocks. Yeah, the moment you start giving more and more mocks, yeah, we will try to finalize this number. So it can become 20, it can become 18, 22. So we have to fix a timeline that I cannot exceed this timeline. Paper कैसा भी आए, ठीक है. This will improvise as we go along. Alright, and the target attempt in the Snap paper, yep, is 40 question. Target score. Fine, and attempt should be around 50. If you want to go to FIBM or SMHRD, target is 50 attempt is your generic thumb rule. This will change according to obviously the level of difficulty of the mocks, but mota that should be your target. Attempt 50 and the net score of 40. Okay, now like Titanic, there are 13 pillars. For Snap, I have divided into 13 parts. So each and every part is equally important. So let's talk about each part. So in logic, within the logic section, I have divided into 5 parts. So traditional logic, puzzles, quant based logic, visual reasoning and data sufficiency. There are 5 parts. So how much you are scoring in every part, for every mock, I want you to take a note. Yeah, so let's break into 5 parts. So the moment you do that, we understand these 2 parts are the most important. Yeah, remaining all are 2 to 3 questions, which is not that important. So these 2, traditional logic like code decoding, direction sense, everything, is 10 question, and puzzles is 8 questions. So these 2 parts are my main parts. Then from the quant point of view, DI 5 questions, arithmetic 4 questions, geometry number 4, modern math 4, and PNC time, speed, distance, time work 3 questions. So in quant, every section is equally important. They are going to test you on every section. So I need to focus on each of the section. And then vocabulary, reading based grammar. By reading I mean RC and parajumble. Again you can see a breakup 555. Yeah, so this complete breakup, complete syllabus of the Snap exam is given on our link. So the moment you register here on cetking.com/snap, yeah, you can find out that you will be registered for the workshop for SMHRD, and also you can check out the complete workshop which I already have conducted for our students. So you can attend that workshop. It is 30 minutes ki workshop. I want to attend that workshop for free, so that you can understand what kind of questions are coming and what will be the strategy for the new paper pattern. Yeah. So like Titanic, our ship will have 13 parts. If one or two part break on the exam day, no issues. My ship can still sail. Yeah. So target score is 40 and target attempt is 50. If you have any more questions, you can ask in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to take on the doubts. Otherwise, please do attend this SMHRD workshop so that you can understand about the college and about the SNAP exam in general. Yeah. Same way, I'm trying to bring on board other colleges as well, so we'll try to connect the workshop with other colleges as well, so that they can give you the first hand experience, or what the students of the college can give you the experience how they felt. Yep. All the best. So in case we are launching our mocks for the SIMB exams, so in case you want to join our program, the numbers are going to come in the end, so you can just call any of the numbers and register for the workshop, or you can join our program for books, mocks, or the shortcuts for the SNAP exam.